Okay, the way we currently do things, we have the red cable, which is building audio, so it includes the pulpit plus any microphones we plug in, and the piano. It takes that audio, runs it into the mixer right here, and we also get a direct feed from the organ right here, and then that comes out and into our encoder. And doing it this way, we must have this audio mixer on the network. Do we? Maybe not. Anyway, hold that thought. So that requires we have that mixer on the network, which requires us to have that switch so we can have more than, right now, the only things that need the network are the audio mixer and the encoder. And because we only have one data drop, we need this switch to turn one data drop into two. That's all we're doing. Now, with this other cable that I thought I would try, is we have one cable, a black one, well, it doesn't matter the color, but just like this, and instead of taking the output of the audio mixer and plugging it into our encoder, we just take it right from the wall. So here's, let me plug this in and I'll tell you. Okay, can't do it one-handed, there we go. Okay, so this black cable now is a direct line to the wall over here. So what this in essence does is it takes the building audio directly into the encoder. If we do it this way, we no longer need the switch, we no longer need the audio mixer, which means we only need this encoder plugged in to that network and that outlet. That means we can get rid of the switch, the power strip, and the audio mixer, and just have this. So like the blue cable would come from the wall, and that's all we would need over here. Now the difference is, the organ is not quite as loud, and I recorded some samples so you can hear the difference, and I'll show them to you next.
This is the old cable. Not that old is bad, it's just the original. This is with the new cable. And am I supposed to keep talking some more than that? That's enough?